Shein is one of those platforms that you honestly wouldn't expect to be able to turn a profit with, but in today's video, I'm going to be revealing a top secret method that is allowing people to make upwards of $500 per day simply by tapping in. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking it down step by step on how you can actually make money from the Shein platform. It's turning into Temu at this point, and I think it's a really good money making opportunity. Let's go. Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how complete beginners are making hundreds of dollars per day on Shein. This method works in 2024, and I definitely don't see it getting patched anytime soon, so I want to make sure that you know everything about this method. But if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and liking the video, because I'm giving out methods like this every single week, and you do not want to miss out on them because sometimes they get patched, and it's honestly a first come, first serve basis. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the method is extremely easy. Anybody can do it. All you're going to need is the Shein app. You can find it in the Google Play or App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and open it right now. Once you have the app installed, you want to head over to the far right tab, and it's going to say me, and you can scroll down. You're going to find a bunch of different sections. You can find your wallet, and then there's a section for your orders, but you want to go to the section where it says more services. You're going to find things such as survey center, app suggestions, but what you are looking for, it's going to be the my reference section, and you want to type in the code US 7612E. What that code is going to give you is going to give you $2 off a 29 and above order, and the best part is you can keep using these over and over again. So you just want to type in the code US 7612E, and you'll be able to get a free $2. Very simple. But the reason why I'm telling you about this is how a lot of people are making money. Just to prove it to you guys, take a look at this. I have already made roughly about $1,000 doing this method, and it only has been a few weeks of doing it, so it could be a full-time opportunity. So all you're doing is you're recommending Shein to other people. So I do want to state that the reason why mine does not say my reference and it says brand ambassador, because I am a brand ambassador of Shein. I'm going to show you guys how to get into the program and how to truly make some money with it, because it's very untapped and a lot of people just don't know about it. So there's actually two ways to get inside the Shein Ambassador program. The first one is going to be to hit them up directly on IG. You just need to go to the official Shein campus page, and you're going to come across a page looking exactly like this. This is their official one, and then you want to click the link that's going to be in their bio. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to a page looking like this. They have live events that you can also go to as a Shein Ambassador, but unfortunately I'm not located in Chicago, so I cannot go to it. But if you guys are in downtown Chicago, then you may want to go ahead and participate in it. But what you're looking for is going to be the apply now section. Once you get here, it's going to ask you for a few questions, so I do want to tell you guys a few of the things that you do have to meet when actually applying for here. You have to be 18 years of age. You also do have to be a US citizen attending a college. I don't know what they verify it, but they do want you to be in college currently so you can promote it to other classmates. They're pretty much doing something very similar to Temu. They are running something like this and seem to be very successful with them, so Shein is definitely trying to boost their numbers. Another thing is they're looking to send money directly to your bank account. They used to have the PayPal option, but now you can only cash out directly to a US bank, so make sure that you do have one of those as well. But if you are above the age of 18, you definitely have your own US bank. If not, I highly recommend using Cash App, because they do have an account and routing number, and you can put the money directly in there. Or you could use Chime, and there's a bunch of other teen bank accounts that you can take part in and actually get the money directly to you. Taking a look at the form, they do want you to have an EDU email, so figure out some way on how to legally obtain an EDU email. Preferably just go to school and you'll actually get one, and it's actually very easy. To be honest with you guys, I don't think they actually require you to have a TikTok, but it will boost your chances. I actually applied with YouTube and I got in. The process does take over a month, so be very careful. Apply now so you can get in. You can also apply directly on the website just by typing in Shein Shein Campus Ambassador, but I like to go to their IG, make sure that I'm following them so they know that I'm interested, and it makes it look a little bit better when they're going through my application. But you guys are probably wondering, what exactly do you get out of the Shein Campus Ambassador program? And it pretty much tells you what you're going to get. You're going to get 3% commission every single time someone buys something. So let's say you sell $1,000 worth of items, you're going to get 3% of that, so you'll walk away with $30. It does sound like a crazy amount of money. You have to sell $1,000 worth of products, but you would be surprised on how much money this can add up. And I actually been in affiliate programs where I'm generating over $100,000 every single month just from affiliate commissions and revenue, and that actually equates to, let's say we get a 3 to 5%, so that could be $3,000 to $5,000 in your pocket. And the best part about the Shein Campus Ambassador program is the code. The code is going to constantly be inside of their account for 90 days, so every order that they make on Shein, they'll actually be attributed to your account, so you're going to be getting paid over and over and over again. And the more people that you promote Shein to, and the more people that use your code, you will actually be directly receiving commissions off of everything that they purchase, which is really cool. One thing I do want to point out, they will give you a link, but I do not recommend using it. Make sure to use the code and tell people about the code, because it's more of a guarantee. This is going to take you to the website version of Shein. It doesn't automatically open up the Shein app where most of your customers are anyways, so keep that in mind. But if you actually do want to give out the link, just tell your users to click on accept, and the code is going to be directly into their account. Very quick and easy. The next thing I do want to talk about is the free gift cards that they're giving out every single month simply by being a Shein ambassador. You guys heard it here first. You will receive free gift cards every single month simply by getting. The next thing I want to go over are going to be the free gift cards, and it is true, they do give out free Shein gift cards that you can give to your audience or you can use directly for yourself. Me personally, I've been using them to go out and buy clothing off of Shein because they have decent quality stuff and their gift cards are pretty helpful on saving cost. And you can also use other codes, and once you promote it to your audience, let's say you tell them about some promo codes on Shein, also tell them about your code, and they're going to pretty much want to buy something from Shein right now because it just shows buyer intent. So the more buyer intent that they have and the more that they want to buy, the more you could probably get a commission off of them because they're more likely to put in your code, buy right now, and they'll have their items within 1 to 2 weeks. But back to the gift cards, if you invite 10 new people to Shein, and I believe they do have to place an order, you will receive a $10 gift card. It is not a lot, but if you get this every single month, it can definitely stack up. Me personally, I don't use every single gift card that they're giving out, but they're definitely pretty helpful when I'm looking to purchase on Shein. Now let's talk about the payment schedule. So this is something that a lot of people ask me about. When can you expect to receive your commissions? And typically it's anywhere between 2 and 3 months after getting the person to buy, which honestly is kind of unfortunate. It takes a while, but you will get your money eventually. I have programs where it's 45 days, some that are 30 days, some can actually take a full 3 months. So this is kind of the game that you have to play as a social media influencer. So just make sure that you keep making your content and doing the best to your ability. The next method to make money directly on Shein is going to be to go to the points section under the Me tab. So you're going back to the Shein mobile app, click on points, and you're going to come across a page looking like this. If you check in every single day, I just want to show you that this does work. So if I go ahead and click on check in, so I just checked in and I gained 7 cents. So every single day that you do check in, you will actually receive free money. And it honestly doesn't hurt to keep checking in over and over again, but there are more methods to this because this is actually just the surface of it. For the next method, it's going to be to download the app called Adapole. You can find it in the Google Play or App Store simply by typing in Adapole, and you're going to come across an app looking exactly like this. As you can see, I have $173 in my balance, and it's basically for doing nothing. You can see some of the surveys that you have to take. They don't take any time at all, and if you want free money from this app, type in the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents. This code will give you a free 50 cents when typing it in. Just in case you forgot to type in the code when signing up, go over to the far right tab and click on enter invitational code, and you can type the code dbfcm for a free 50 cents. So you're probably wondering, why does this actually have anything to do with Shein? Well, you can promote this to your audience, and they also have direct payout options. So take a look at this. They have PayPal, they have Revolut, they also do have charity, but we also have gift cards as well, such as Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and even Fanatics, which are all great options when you're looking to cash out, but I highly recommend doing the PayPal option because it's pretty much instant. So what you want to do is you want to promote this to your primarily Shein audience because you can make quick and easy money simply by getting people to download the app. It's not as lucrative as Temu because Temu was paying $5 every new user. This app pays 50 cents per new user, which honestly isn't bad, but it's not great either. But the reason why I recommend promoting this more than Temu because it's pretty much untapped. Everybody has heard of Temu. It has over 10 million ratings on the App Store. It is super popular, but what we're looking for is for something that's very untapped where you can get tons of people to download it over and over again and actually make consistent income. And this is pretty much what I've been able to do with this app right here. Very, very helpful stuff, and this is pretty much what everybody's been doing. And the best part is it doesn't stop at the 50 cents that you get. You also get 10% of their survey commissions. So let's say they make $10 in surveys, you're gonna get $1 for that. It doesn't sound like a lot of money, but imagine you had 5,000 people using this app every single month. The money is definitely going to add up. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and were able to make some free money from Shein. Shein was a little bit iffy for me at first, but I've been able to go and turn it into a full-time income simply by getting people to download the app and make purchases. And it's just like any other affiliate program. You just have to be consistent with it, put in the hard work, and the results will show. I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift3 Reviews. Bye.